Yeah, looks good. It looks cool even from the inside.
Yeah, he's flying around.
Yeah.
Pikachu! All right, I'm all finished here at the Round Table Clubhouse. And I got the Pikachu done. Okay, I'm at Hammy's Pizza again. I'm gonna do some Valentine's Day heart-shaped pizzas. Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Oh, you had your headphones on.
Yeah. Oh, did you not?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Sorry about that.
So what are we doing? Heart-shaped pizzas?
Shit, I don't know. I'll have to ask Leslie real quick. I'll have to call her. I'm not sure what she wants to do.
I think that's what she said.
Does you think?
Yeah, but you can give her a call.
Yeah, okay.
And
you want me to make you a pizza or anything?
sure.
What would you like?
Just vegan, whatever.
No cheese on it. You
Yeah.
want, like green peppers and onions and mushrooms. And
Yeah, I'm not picky. A little bit spicy.
some jalapenos on it.
Sure.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Okay, just got to hear from Leslie, and she'll let Rusty know what's going up on the window, and then he'll let me know. But I'm pretty sure it's heart-shaped pizzas.
Valentine's Day, so something like that, you know.
Okay, so just that's all I got to say is heart-shaped pizzas, Valentine's Day. Get your heart-shaped pizzas.
And your magic.
Okay. Yeah, I'll probably just do a pizza that looks like a heart, but also give it a character, like put
That'd
eyes
be
in it.
awesome.
Yeah, I think that'll work.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, thanks. You want me to close this?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to do just a little thing here. It says heart-shaped pizzas for Valentine's Day, and then a big pizza character with the face. Maybe make it a girl pizza. A girl pizza. That's funny. So, come on, try another little piece of my heart now, baby. Make it a heart shape and it'll taste so very good.
I'm glad you got that. That's what I was
You want me to close this? Sure. Okay, thanks, man. It's always fun doing Hammy's Pizza because they feed me. Oh, it smells good. Spicy.